position, Masco Petroleum and Shea and Associates Insurance is Brad Crawford. Outside of the second row in the 6 out of Aberdeen, Washington, sponsored by Blue Oval Motorsports, is Mike Crawford. Alongside Mike Crawford out of Des Moines, Washington, sponsored by Absolute Auto Care in DeSanto, Sunnydale Muffler, is Corey Boyle. Outside on the front row in the 15 out of Des Moines, Washington, sponsored by Absolute Auto Care, is Kurt Boyle. And starting on the pole in the 29 out of Vaughan, Washington, sponsored with thanks to the Wilson family, Belfair Hose, Absolute Auto Care, and thanks to Todd Sweet Cruz, Kenny Wilson. Strong run by Corey Boyle to get right up into the front of this pack, but he's got fast Jim Gwynn now peeking on his inside side by side through turns 1 and 2. Gwynn's going to take the lead away from Boyle. Boyle's stuck on the outside, and he's going to give up his second spot now to Brian Crawford. As the field comes out of 4, your defending champion Jim Gwynn leading the way, just as the defending champion in the Stinger 8s did. Jim Gwynn coming out the Covering Auto Parts Baby Grands as the defending champion and showing a strong hand. Field single file now across the line. Jim Gwynn, Brian Crawford, and then it's Mike Crawford. That's your top 3 now. Corey Boyle has slipped back to 4th, and then it's Kenny Wilson rounding out the top 5. Brian Crawford with a real strong effort here, keeping up with Jim Gwynn. As they come out of turn number 4 and across the line, only 2 laps remain. Brian Crawford's got to feel good about this effort, even if he does not catch Jim Gwynn. It's a remaining lap and a half. Keeping up with Jim Gwynn is not the easiest task in the world, and that has been shown over the past couple of years in this division. But Brian Crawford in this race has definitely gained something in this offseason in that 11 car, and he's kept pace with Jim Gwynn. But Gwynn's going to lead him out of turn number 4, and across the line, your winner, Jim Gwynn, followed by Brian Crawford. Then it's Mike Crawford, Corey Boyle, and then Kenny Wilson rounding out the top 5.